Welcome friends to a new DIY project. Today we are going to make this beautiful bracelet. Things needed: an elastic wire, then small beads of any size. If you are not finding this, you can go for little greater one, bigger one, and big beads. But you have to take smaller and a bigger bead. So now what we are going to do is, first we are going to make the length, or we are going to cut the length. So the length should be, just measure your wrist and then you multiply the size with 4 and then cut the elastic. So I have done it. Now I am going to cut the elastic according to my wrist size. Now we are going to use this. You have got two ends. So now what you have to do is, you have to insert 3 small beads at the first and then one bigger bead on only one elastic. Now you have to take the other elastic and insert it in the opposite direction, and then bring the bigger bead and the smaller bead to the center of the elastic. So like this you have to bring it to the middle, and then you have to take the smaller bead and insert one each in the elastic. Now take the bigger bead, insert in only one elastic, and then take the other one and insert it through the bead in the opposite direction. Now pull it, and after pulling it, once it reaches the center, just pull the elastic from both the sides so that it stays firm. Now take one more smaller bead, insert in one elastic, then another one small in another elastic. Now take one bigger one and then take the other elastic and insert it in the opposite direction and then pull it. So this is the pattern we are going to do, and I am going to follow the same method, that is, insert the smaller beads on one each and then insert a bigger bead on only one side of the elastic, and take the other elastic end and pass it through the bead in the opposite direction. Like this you have to go on continuing until you reach a desired length, that is the length of your wrist. So just when you are doing it, keep on measuring the length or the size of the bracelet so that you do not exceed the required length. So this is a simple DIY which you can do it and wear it in the functions or anywhere. We don't even require many materials, just we need is elastic wire and some beads. If you don't find an elastic, you can just do it using the thread, but only thing is you have to attach a hoop and a jump ring at the ends so that you can attach it and detach it easily. So here I have reached my desired length. Now once you have done it, you have to just take the other end, that is the end of the elastic, and tie it to the beginning bead, and then tie 2 or 3 knots together. Cut the excess elastic and just burn it and hold it firmly so that the knot does not open up. So this is the beautiful bracelet which I have done today. Please do like and share it with your friends. Thank you.